I'm Tony. You're in Pop Pop's workshop. We're at a point today where we're going to start finishing the sink cover for a client. And so if I just kind of walk you through a little bit of how we do that here. Like most woodworkers, we make our own finisher in the shop. It's, of course, mineral oil, food safe mineral oil, and beeswax. The batch I have now is a local beeswax I get from a friend that is an apiist. So we mix that up in a crock pot. I've got an old crock pot that we're gonna throw it out. So if you've got one or you find one at a garage sale or yard sale, pick it up because it's great for slowly mixing that together, and it makes the shop smell fabulous while you're cooking it. So and if you're getting your beeswax local, you can even get a variety of scents that way because whatever the bees are eating, that's kind of what the wax is going to smell like. So that's one of the benefits of locally sourced, but nothing wrong with picking it up on Amazon. That's what we did before, so that's a great way to do it too. So this is we call this Nana's wood gravy here in the shop. So my wife helps make that. One of the other things we use are these little plastic painter's pyramids, so that we just put them under there. There's minimal contact, so if we are doing other kinds of finishing other than just a mineral oil and beeswax, these kind of are good for minimal intrusion. Start on the one side, end up on the back. You'll like that. And some blue shop towels for when this is soaked in. As far as it's going to soak in, we'll buff off the rest. Another side benefit is wintertime here in Iowa, and my hands they're getting destroyed by sawdust and all the things that go with that, dry weather. This stuff, if you're not wearing gloves, you just apply it with your hands. It really feels great on the hands. So we're going to just take a little bit, get it on there, and we'll start with this side here, and we'll just rub it in a little bit. Make sure I got my pyramids pointed out a little bit better than they are. See what I did wrong here? There we go. That's a little better. And this stuff isn't very expensive, so you can really lather it in there, getting it onto the groove. But it's a pretty simple process, and I say it feels great in the dry weather. So once we've got both of these done on the front side, we'll flip them over. Just leave this to soak in, flip them over, and then do the back side. And I'll usually let this sit for a couple of hours. And if I've got other things I'm doing that day, I may just come back tomorrow morning and then buff out what's not there. But usually a good thick coat, and these will turn out fabulous. So that's what we're doing in the workshop today. Hopefully you're having a great day, staying warm wherever you're at. And remember, you can do this.